I guess just to reinforce some of the conversations we've had already by some of the psychosocial data, the top three correlated questions related to my supervisor focuses on workable solutions rather than blame. I have the right job freedom, so this sense of autonomy. I have flexibility on my work location, and I have realistic time pressures. So all these things around making people feel psychologically safe adds to the, I guess, perception from the workforce that things are fair and people are held accountable in a reasonable way. So a couple of take-home messages there. Coach leaders to give reasonable levels of autonomy, flexibility, and evaluate the job design to minimise undue or unrealistic time pressures.